Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to solve some gate bits, and these gate bits were asked on IO organization. The concept related to IO has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos. So we are going to discuss these bits under the assumption that you have already watched the content which is related to IO organization. Now coming to the bits, so this bit we are going to solve two bits. One bit was asked in gate 92 and the other bit, this bit was asked in gate 95. So the bit states that start and stop bits do not contain any information but are used in serial communication for. In the asynchronous data transfer, where we have discussed about serial communication, whenever a serial communication is happening, we are going to transmit the start bit. So initially, if there is no data on the serial line, it is going to continuously generate a 1. Whenever the data has been generated, for example, if you take a keyboard, it is a serial communication. The content of the keyboard will be transmitted serially to the computer's memory. So in the process of transmitting, because the start and the end of the data should be known to the computer, we are going to add some bits at the starting and the end of the data that has been transmitted. For example, if you press a key on the keyboard, the ASCII code which is related to that key will be transmitted with the start and the stop bits. So whenever there is no data, it is going to continuously generate a 1. If a data has been started, so we are going to generate a 0 signal. With that, the receiver will understand that some data we are going to receive from here. So after receiving the data, we are going to, after completion of the ASCII code of the data, ASCII code of the key that has been pressed, so we are going to add 2 ones at the end. So with that, the computer will know that this is where the data starts and this is where the data ends. Okay, so this is how the serial communication will happen. So for what is the purpose of adding those start and stop bits? So is it for error detection? No, it is not for error detection. Is it for error correction? No, it is for synchronization. In order to maintain the synchronization between the source input device and the computer, because both are going to be different devices. So computer is an electronic device and this is an electromagnetic device. So the data that is being processed by these devices are different. So in order to bring the synchronization between these two devices, we are going to use start and stop bits. The purpose of start and stop bits is to provide synchronization. So the right answer is synchronization. So coming to our next bit, this is a second bit, and this bit in a vectored interrupt. So which of the following is true? So in the vectored interrupt, a branch address is assigned to a fixed location in memory. So which option is the right option? So we have discussed about vector interrupt in the modes of transfer, where we are going to generate. So where an interrupt is getting generated, that interrupt is generated in two different ways. One is vectored interrupt and other one is non-vectored interrupt. So what is non-vectored interrupt? In the non-vectored interrupt, if the devices are using the mechanism called non-vectored interrupt, it means that the branching of the execution of the program will be shifted to the fixed location. But whereas in the vectored interrupt, and the address of the device is transmitted whenever an interrupt is generated. So that is the difference between vectored and non-vectored interrupts. So which of the following is true? The branch address is assigned to a fixed location in memory. It is a non-vectored interrupt. The interrupting source supplies the branch information to the processor through an interrupt vector. So this is the right option. So we are going to supply the branch information, the interrupting source, the device which is interrupting the processor's execution. In the process of interrupting, it is going to generate the address of the device. So the address of that device is supplied as the branch information to the processor. So the right option is B is the right option, and this bit was asked in gate 95 and it was asked for 1 mark. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please these bits, please ask those doubts in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.